In this video, I'm going to show you how to use virtual MIDI keyboard in Reaper. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is create a new track. So I'm just going to click on here, the plus button, but you could also press Ctrl+T on your keyboard to add a new track, okay? So once you've done this over here, you can then go and add your instrument by pressing this FX button. And then from here, I'm simply going to go to Instruments. And if you have more, there's going to be more in here. I'm just going to go with this Reasynth over here and click on Add. Now, once you do this, you're going to have some options. I'm just going to leave this like it is over here. And then to actually use it, you have to set the input. So you want to go and basically click the track's input menu. So to get this, you want to enable this over here. So you have to enable the record arm. And then here you want to go to input MIDI. And of course, here you could do, for example, virtual MIDI keyboard. Okay, I'm going to do virtual MIDI keyboard. Again, you go here, input MIDI, and then virtual MIDI keyboard. Once you've done this, you can then go ahead and launch up your MIDI keyboard. So the easiest way to do this is to go to View up top, and then here it's going to allow you to view the MIDI keyboard. So let me find it. There we go. It says virtual MIDI keyboard, Alt+B, or you could just press Alt+B on your keyboard, and it's going to pop it up like this. And now if you want to go and start, for example, recording, of course, you could go and use this MIDI keyboard to record your MIDI. Now for me, it's actually recording my audio as well because I have this track armed as well. But that's essentially how to do this. Whenever you stop recording, you'll see that your MIDI, for example, recording, is going to be basically done, okay? Your MIDI is going to be recorded. So that's how to use the virtual MIDI keyboard. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.